Welcome back to Plantily. I'm Fiona, coming at you with another delicious recipe. That's right, today we're going to be making peanut butter cookies. And not only are these cookies plant-based as usual, but they're also gluten-free, so they're perfect for those of you who require that. But they're also perfect for those of you who don't, because they are delicious. And as far as cookies go, they're pretty nutritious because they're mostly made with almond flour and peanut butter. So they've got lots of healthy fats, a little plant-based protein, and they're only made with 4 ingredients plus a little bit of water. So they're really easy to make, as you will see right now in the recipe. First, you're going to start with a cup of natural peanut butter. The only ingredients should be peanuts and maybe some salt. And then you're going to add in a 1/4 cup of boiling water and mix that together until it is well combined. Now you're going to cream in some brown sugar. You can also use golden sugar, regular sugar, or even coconut sugar, but the texture might be a little different. Now you're going to add in almond flour and baking soda. Mix together the almond flour and baking soda and then mix everything else together. I personally like to get my hands in there for this dough. You could use a mixer or you can use a spoon, but it's going to take a lot longer. The dough texture that you're looking for is a kind of crumbly dough, but it should squeeze together fairly easily. Now you're going to take a heaping tablespoon of dough, that's about 1.5 tablespoons, and then you're going to shape it into a ball and then into a cookie disc. And then you're going to cross-hatch each cookie and bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. When the cookies come out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet. They're going to be a bit soft, but then enjoy! I took these cookies to a paint night party and they were a big hit. So if you want to make these cookies for a party or just for yourself, then head to the link in the description box where there is a full written description for how to make the cookies. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a like and shared it with a friend. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button to stick around. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.